Okay guys, here we go. I'm going to teach you guys how to replace a battery for a 2016 Dodge Journey. Now the battery is located right in this area right here. So what you got to do first is jack the car up, take the tire out. I'm going to pause it right here. I'm going to do it. Then I'm going to show you guys step by step. There you guys go. You see, tire off. What you guys do want to do is loosen up the screws before you pick it up. Once you pick it up, if you gotta step on the brake, all we gotta do is take this clip right here. It's like 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seems like they want to save it there. You got 7. We'll take them off. Now that that's out of the way, you actually see the battery right here. First thing you gotta do is take the on this side. See how much? If I can get a better angle. Get an idea what I'm gonna be doing. There, I'm gonna be right there. First thing we gotta do is take the sensor there before it breaks because it's really fragile. Push it to the back, then just unplug it. That should be it first. Seems like the angle's on, I really can't pull it back. So I gotta unscrew it first, loosen it up. Now all of these little clips here didn't come out right. Most of them that I'm breaking. So, but I went ahead and got some in advance. You can buy them anywhere pretty much. No link needed or anything. Let me go ahead and get that one loose and show you guys. Hey guys, once you take the sensor off, you want to take the screw in the back because it can be located in a different position. Unscrew it. One you're gonna take off is the one that looks like this on the side, another one that looks straight up. Now I had this from a previous video that I bought. It came in handy again. Like I said, instead of paying somebody $190 to change my window motor, I went ahead and did it myself, bought the tools, and I kept them. So it's always good to do it yourself. You get to keep the tools, save a lot of money. Now that's loosen up, you take it out. Now you go to the other one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out of the way. So I'm gonna use it from top. I'm gonna use an extension, and then we go from there. You put it there, and then you put it from top the extension. It's really hard recording doing it, so I'm gonna just put it there and then I'm gonna loosen it up. That's the reason I started doing YouTube videos, because every YouTube video that I've seen how to do it, to get an idea how to do it faster, so you just stick down the extension straight down. As you can see, I tried it, that's not the way to go. It's not, I don't know, I guess you gotta take more stuff apart on top, but I'm gonna just go ahead and do it all the way. Once I take it off, I'll show you guys. Once you loosen it up, you just take it all the way out to take the tool all the way out. This is just a safety to keep the battery still in the same spot. I'm trying not to lose the screws. You just do safety. Back. You can move the battery. Now we're gonna take that one off. You gotta loosen it up first, and then you can take the battery out. So try not to touch nothing on the ground with while you're taking that out. You can spark, just push it out. Just pull it out. It's really tough doing it with one hand, so I'm just gonna let it go. The battery. You can see here.
No.
This is safety. You gotta put here to clip it. Once you put it back on, clean out if you want some. You gotta dust, which here is not the case. It's pretty clean. I'm gonna put the new one in. I'm gonna show you guys. This is your first time putting the battery on. Try to remind yourself how you took it out, so you can put it back in the same way. You know, positive and negative. That way you don't mess up your car. So always trying to get it put it back the same way. I'm gonna put this one in and put it back in. Just gotta do everything backwards. You gotta put this one in first before you put the rest, because then it won't be able to put it on. So you're not trying to put it in. I guess the first thing you gotta do is put the safety in before you put the battery in. That's what I did. I put it halfway out, clipped it, then push it back in. And there you go. Like I said, you just gotta go back the same way you did it. You know, right now you just gotta put the hat on. Oh, you'll put this one in first, the safety. The safety, and then this one, and that one last. I'm gonna put the safety on. This one is brand new right there, but like I say, it's tough to record when I do it. You're supposed to go there, lay down. So now you're just gonna put the screw in. Now that you got it that way, you can actually put the screw. That way you can see it and easier for you to put it on. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna go to the next one. That's in. Now you gotta put the other one in. Once you put that one in, like I said, then you put the sensor on there. You know, it's gonna spark a little bit when you put it on there. So just regular battery, spark a little bit. Not much. It's really tough to do while recording. Have to push it all the way down. Let's see if things put back together. I just gotta put this everything back same way we found it. I got most of the clips didn't survive, so I got some new ones. They're the same as the old ones. Align them. The same thing to all of them. Just align them. Make sure you align them right. Align them as you can, you know, go one at a time. I'm gonna leave the hard ones off the camera because, you know, I need both hands. So thanks for watching this video.